Okay, if you are trying to wire up USB connectors, what is rare is the female end of the connector. All right, that you want. So take a normal male connector, split down the sides, pull the metal off around, pull up the prongs a little bit, and then just pull them just right like this. My phone ain't wanting to focus. Turn my light on. Yep, like that. That's what it'll look like. And then it will work as a... Oh, I can't do this one. Sit down and try to do this. Work as a male. Turn it over. Turn it over. Work as a female plug. Or if you need it as a male plug, it will work as a male plug too. So it is a transvestite plug for doing all your USB wiring.